Guys, so today I'm going to be walking you through my my dash cam. The dash cam I ended up going with is the Toguard. I don't know what the model number is on this thing, but the Wi-Fi something like that. Right, here it is installed. If you want to see how I installed it, I have a video on when I installed the previous dash cam. It's basically the same thing. It's just installed here, cable running through the top, going down there on the back, and plugged into the head unit. Right, so it's powered by the head unit, and the beauty of this is when I turn the car off, the head unit is going to remain powered for 2 hours and keep the dash cam running for 2 more hours. The thing about the dash cam is that it has motion detection and shock detection, I guess. So basically, when there's an impact on a car, like I close the door, or like whatever, it will activate and then record a short clip. If it detects someone walking in view, it will activate and then take a short clip and saves it in a special folder. The other thing about this dash cam is that it records in 1080p, full HD at 30 frames per second. The quality is quite good. It has Wi-Fi built in, which means you can connect it to your Android or probably iOS device. Like you can see here, my head unit is an Android head unit, so I can connect directly to the dash cam and see what's going on. So I can control it from here. I can hit record, mute it. What's this, volume? Okay, volume. I don't know what that's for. You can take a screenshot, or you can take a picture with the head unit from here. You can change the brightness. You can enable the motion detection. You can basically control the entire dash cam from your device. So it can be your phone, or it can be a head unit like I have here. With the options, well, you press OK to start recording, but it usually does that automatically. You can zoom in and out. Like so. Zoom in, zoom out, like so. You can also adjust the angle of the camera lens. You can go through the menu system. It can be a little slow. Oh my God. This is the menu system. That is not okay. So this button is the button you press to go through the footage you've already for the recording. So you press that, and then you cycle through. I see. Okay, so you press that once, and then you press OK to take a picture. You press that again, and then it goes to the videos that have already been recorded. So you can cycle through the different videos that are recorded on there. And from here you can press the menu and you can delete them, protect, or enter slideshow mode. Right, okay. There. Right, so that is pretty much the head unit. It's actually quite excellent. It's quite excellent. It records in 10 minute intervals, and then depending on what you've set, it will just loop the recording and just keep overriding the oldest file. But yeah, it records some good quality footage, as I'm going to show you. And the sound is also pretty good as well. The sound is pretty good, and it does well in low light as well. It's not too bad in low light, so it's quite the excellent. It's quite the excellent dash cam. Quite like it. Quite like it. I think you can only take up to a 32 gig micro SD card. So it's quite a neat little camera. I'm not sure how well it's coming up on here, but yeah, it's quite a neat little camera. The dash cam. So yeah, quite excellent, quite excellent. I would recommend this one. I would absolutely recommend this. It's a lot better than the one I had before. The one I had before, I forgot which one it was. Like Pruveeo, some stupid thing like that. And they only recorded the audio always went out of sync when it's when it went to the next clip, because it records in 10-minute intervals. When it goes to the next 10 minutes, the audio was always out of sync, so that was completely useless. So yeah, I got rid of that, paid a little bit extra, and got this, and it served me quite well. So yeah, guys, that's a dashcam. I would buy it. It's a great dashcam, absolutely fantastic. And I really like the Wi-Fi thing, how you can mirror the camera onto your phone or your tablet or whatever, and then control the settings through there. It's quite excellent. You can also download the videos that have recorded directly from the dashcam to your device without having to take the SD card out and go plug it into your computer or something. So yeah, it's quite a handy dashcam. I would absolutely recommend it. So guys, yeah, that's the dashcam I'm using in my car. So I'll be catching you in the next one.